Welcome back to G Fun Facts Online. Today, we're diving into a topic that sounds like it's straight out of science fiction, but it's rapidly becoming our reality: the rise of AI co-mathematicians. For centuries, mathematics has been seen as this peak of human abstract thought, a place where only our brains could tread. But hold on to your hats, because artificial intelligence is stepping onto the scene, not just as a fancy calculator, but as a genuine partner in mathematical discovery. This is set to completely shake up how we do math, speeding up breakthroughs, and maybe even opening up whole new areas of study we haven't even dreamed of yet. So how is AI doing this? Well, one of its superpowers is spotting incredibly complex patterns and connections in enormous piles of data, things that human researchers might spend years searching for, or even miss entirely. Think about machine learning, especially deep learning. These algorithms are now being used to dissect intricate mathematical structures, leading to some pretty amazing advances. For example, AI has already shown it can predict something called the rank of elliptic curves, which is a big deal in number theory. It's even managed to autonomously generate brand new formulas for fundamental constants. And get this, Google DeepMind has been using neural networks to explore knot theory, and in the process, they've uncovered surprising links between algebraic and geometric structures that we hadn't seen before. But an AI co-mathematician is more than just a pattern-spotting whiz. These AI systems are getting really good at helping develop and even verify mathematical proofs. There are tools out there, like Lean, which is an AI-powered proof assistant. Mathematicians are using it to formalize really complex proofs, including some conjectures that have been puzzling us for ages. This doesn't just make math more rigorous. It also frees up human mathematicians to focus on the bigger picture, the creative and conceptual side of their work. Imagine an AI tirelessly sifting through endless possibilities for a proof, or meticulously double-checking every single step of a super complex argument. This lets its human partner focus on the strategy and the overall direction of where the research is going. And there's another cool aspect. AI is making high-level math more accessible. By breaking down complex ideas into simpler explanations and helping people navigate those dense academic papers, I can lower the barrier for researchers wanting to jump into new mathematical fields. This could mean more teamwork across different disciplines and a real spark for innovation where different branches of math meet. AI-driven platforms are also making it easier for mathematicians to collaborate, share ideas, and solve problems together more efficiently. The implications here are huge. Programs like DARPA's Exponentiating Mathematics Initiative, or XPmath, are actively trying to build AI systems that can act like co-authors with humans. The idea is they'd help break down massive problems into smaller, more manageable pieces, seriously speeding up the whole discovery process. We're looking at a future where humans and AI working together is just the standard way of doing things, leading to a much more experimental and dynamic approach to mathematics. Imagine AI suggesting new theories, testing ideas at a speed we can't comprehend, and even helping us design entirely new mathematical frameworks. Now, it's not all smooth sailing. There are challenges. One big one is the explainability gap. Sometimes an AI comes up with a proof, but it's really hard to understand how it got there in a way that makes sense to a human. We also need to make sure AI can really grasp deep, specific knowledge in a field and learn from the messy trial and error process that's so often part of making mathematical breakthroughs. These are things researchers are actively working on. But despite these hurdles, the path forward seems pretty clear. AI is on track to become an absolutely essential partner in our quest for mathematical knowledge. This isn't about AI taking over from human mathematicians. Not at all. It's about boosting their abilities, creating this amazing synergy where human intuition guides AI's incredible analytical power. The dawn of AI co-mathematicians promises a thrilling new era of faster discoveries, deeper insights, and a mathematics landscape that's fundamentally changed. The potential for AI to help us unlock some of the universe's deepest secrets, all written in the language of mathematics, is only just starting to unfold. What a time to be alive. That's all for today on G Fun Facts Online. Join us next time for more amazing insights from the world of science and tech.